Hi, hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get your YouTube channel monetized. We're going to look at the requirement to get your YouTube monetized, how to self-promote your YouTube channel outside YouTube, and how to know when to apply for monetization. All right. So the first step you want to do is that you want to go into your browser. If you're on your phone, you want to head over to studio.youtube.com. All right, on your phone. Remember, you can switch over to the desktop version even if you are using phone. So now to get your YouTube channel monetized, all right, there's going to be, when you click on this N icon, all right, you are going to see that there's a requirement, all right, and that requirement is that you need to have 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour, or 1,000 subscriber and 10 million short view. All right, as this YouTube channel, small YouTube channel, getting 10 million short view might not be something easy, but it happens. A lot of people are able to get it, or getting 4,000 watch time. All right, so there's something that you need to know about getting this 4,000 watch time. This 4,000 watch time must be gotten within 365 days. All right, so let's say that you started your YouTube channel in January, okay, and January 2023, and let's say in January 2023 you got 200 watch hour, and total watch hours that you got in the whole of 2023 is 1,500 watch hour. All right, now when it's in January of 2024, all right, they will minus the one that you got January last year, because now it has passed 1 year, so it has to be a whole of 365 days. All right, anything less than that, you will lose that January one, then to start counting again. So you have to make sure that you got this 4,000 watch hour within 365 days. Okay, whenever you don't have any, after 365 days, this thing is going to be resetting. Anyone that you have, it will always be minusing and leaving the remainder. That's just one thing. And so as I was saying, this is how you get this is the requirement: 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, or 10 million YouTube short views. Okay, so if you're creating short, it's going to help your channel to get exposure. All right, it's going to get a, but if you really want to get 10 million short views, okay, you're really going to have to do a lot of work. Both of them are not easy. Either you want to get 4 million, 10 million subscriber, 10 million short views, or you want to get 4,000 watch hour. These two things are not really easy. So now you've known how to create video, you've known how to create short videos, then there's something you need to do. Sometimes when you post videos, you don't want to wait for YouTube. You need to push your YouTube channel, okay? And the easiest is this. All you just have to just do it. Go over to Facebook. All right. When you head over to Facebook, you want to join groups that are similar, that are talking about what your YouTube channel niche is all about. So when you join this group, join as much as this group you can join. Join up to like 20 groups daily. I think you can join up to like 30 groups daily without issue. Join 30 groups daily in your niche. All right, so whenever you create videos, you want to post these videos. Post your YouTube video links to the groups. So if you join 30 groups daily, let's do the calculation. If you join 30 groups daily, all right, and if you join 30 groups daily in your niche, 30, in 30 days you are going to have about 1,000 groups. Okay, that's like, let's say you have 1,000 groups. So that means that if you post a video, and make sure that you always join only public groups. Okay, you want to join only public group because it's only in public groups that you can post without it pending. Okay, join public. All those closed group, when you post, the admin will have to approve it before you can. That's going to take a lot of time. You want to join public group, so once you post it like this, the post immediately get approved and people in that group are going to see it. So that if you join a group that has nothing less than 30,000 members inside it, okay, and in a month you have joined a total of that's, you have 30,000, okay, times 1,000 people, times 1,000 I said 30,000, right? 30,000, a minimum of 30,000, right? Times 1,000 groups. Okay, now we are talking about 30 million possibility, and let's say just 1% of these people that check out your video. Okay, we are talking about 300,000 views. Okay, so you don't even need to aim this much. You're just like, okay, in a day, each time you post a video, your goal is to make sure that each of your video gets at least 100 views. Okay, don't stop until you make sure that your view gets 100 views daily. Okay, so sometimes you can aim for 1,000 views daily by sharing to all these groups. You want to make sure that your views get a particular numbers of view, within 100 or 1,000. But these numbers of views that you'll be getting from this group is going to be increasing as you are joining these groups daily. Okay, so Facebook group is going to really help you to boost your YouTube channel, and thereby you can use it to get enough watch time. All right, you can use it to easily get watch time that you can then use it to monetize your channel. And each time you always want to be able to come here and check the amount of watch time that you have and the amount of subscribers that channel has in this place. So these are the things you want to always keep checking. So the fact is that there's a place that when you come here is going to tell you that how to notify you when you get subscribers. So when you get monetized, so you want to say yes. You want to click on yes, email me when I meet the criteria. So whenever you meet your criteria like this, you just get one email from YouTube that you have reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or you have gotten 10 million short views. That means that you cannot apply for monetization. Okay, this is the screen that you will always ensure that you are checking how much watch time that you are getting, and then you'll be able to monetize in this particular screen. In your analytics too, you can also use it to track your watch time. Okay, you can track lifetime over here, but you want to always make sure that you are tracking these 365 days. Okay, you are tracking these 365 days because that is the ones that YouTube are looking at. Okay, not your lifetime. They are tracking the last 365 days. So if you follow these 2 steps, all right, it's really going to be easy for you to get a YouTube channel monetized. Make sure that you join enough groups on Facebook because it really works, but ensure that the groups you are joining are groups that are related to the content of your niche, so that they will not kick you out, so that they will not complain about you. And also because as you are sharing those content in those groups, you're actually giving them value, and many people would like to click on it and they would like to watch your video. All right, that is why you need to promote your YouTube channel outside YouTube. You can put it on your WhatsApp, share it on any other place that you know that it can give you views. Okay, so this is so the goal is that at the end of this lesson you must have gotten your first 10 to 100 YouTube subscribers. So you want to ensure that for you to get 100 to 10 YouTube subscribers, you want to make sure that you share videos, and people are going to want to watch the video and they are going to want to like it. Okay, so you want to focus on getting your 10 to 100 subscribers. Okay, so that is your first step. So you are joining the groups, you are focusing on getting 10 to 100 subscribers for your YouTube channel. All right, that is all about getting your YouTube channel monetized. See you in the next video.